This lecture discusses two important built-in data structures in Python, dictionary and tuple. Dictionary is an important data structure in Python. Dictionaries are different from Python list. The difference is that in a list, the indices have to be integers. In a dictionary, they can be of any type. You can think of a dictionary as a mapping between a set of indices, which are called keys, and a set of values. Each key maps to a value. The association of a key and a value is called key-value pair. Dictionary is very useful in writing programs. Whenever data needs to be stored as a key-value pair, dictionaries can be utilized. For example, if you are trying to build a bilingual spoken language dictionary, say English-Malayalam dictionary, in this case, you can create a dictionary data structure with the English words as keys and corresponding Malayalam words as values. For example, you can create a new dictionary like this. The variable that stores the dictionary is eng2mal, which specifies that we are creating an English to Malayalam dictionary. The data for dictionary is placed inside curly braces. Then you need to give key value pairs. So key is 1. Corresponding value I will be giving as, I am giving these as strings. 1. Then we will be putting a comma. Then we will be giving the next item. 2. Corresponding value is 2. So this creates a dictionary called eng2mal with 3 elements. You can use the function print to print the dictionary. So this is the dictionary we just created. The order of items in a dictionary is unpredictable. So you can see that though the elements are created in the order 1, 2 and 3, when they got printed, it is of the order 3, 1 and 2. The elements of a dictionary are never indexed with the integer indices. Instead, you use the keys to look up the corresponding value. So, unlike other data structures, we will be using keys to index the dictionary. For example, if you want to get the value corresponding to 2, you need to type. Our dictionary name is eng2mal of 2. You need to give the key, then the corresponding value will be printed. You can use the len function just like other data structures. It retains the number of key value pairs. So in this case, it should return 3. The in operator works on dictionaries. It tells whether something appears as a key in the dictionary. So you can type in eng true. One is there, one is a key in ENG to a male dictionary. So if you ask whether 5 is there, it will print you false. Set of built-in methods that you can use on dictionaries. The keys method returns keys of the dictionary. So if you print keys, in this case it should print 1, 2 and 3. So you can type 1, 2 and 3. The values method returns values in the dictionary. In this case it should print 1, 2, 3. The items method returns a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. So the items method will print all the elements of the dictionary. Three, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2. Update method updates the dictionary with specified key value pairs. So if you want to add the key 4 and the value 4, you should give so you can see that the details about 4 is also added. So this is all about dictionaries. Another important data structure in Python is tuple. Like a list, a tuple is indexed by an integer. The most important difference is that tuples are immutable, which means that their contents cannot be changed. This is an important property of a tuple. Syntactically, a tuple is a comma-separated list of values. So, you can create a tuple by typing t equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. I have repeated values 4. 4 is repeated 2 times. Instead of curly brackets, you need to use parentheses in the case of tuple. Indexing is like list and index starts from 0. So if you want to get the first element, you need to type first element is 1. Since it is immutable, you cannot change the value. When you try to change the value, it will throw an error. So if you give The error is tuple object does not support item assignment. Python has two built-in methods that you can use on tuples. First one is count and second one is index. Count returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. So if you try to print the count of the element 1, it will give you 1. 1 occurs only one time. So, but if you give 4, it will give you the output 2, since 4 occurs 2 times. Index searches the tuple for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. So, if you give index of 1, then it will print 0. 1 is at index 0. So, if you give 4, remember you have 2 4 there, it will give you the index as 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Index starts from 0. So, the first occurrence is printed. So, if more than one value exists, then first occurrence is reported. In the case of index method. This is all about dictionary and tuple.